foot. It's okay. She's not hurting the baby. It's okay. It's okay.
Hold on a second. I got it going. So
you think she's hurting the baby? So
when she comes through, I'll give it to you.
Good. Hi, Doug. You're fine. Just keep turning. And a yellow ear puffy.
Okay.
Ugh.
I don't know whose that was. It's on now.
There you go.
Got grease on his left front paw.
I see that.
I'm not sure what he goes into. He gets underneath something. I think he goes in the tractor area.
Yeah, probably.
Plays and stuff. She doesn't want your ear puffy.
No, I guess
But
not.
thanks for sharing.
It's playing, so you're good.
Yeah.
Jackson, no. Good. Now instead of pulling, just squeeze your rein in your leg. There. See, that's much better in the corner. Good. All right, Angela, go ahead and walk for a minute. So what you want to remember when you're doing him on your own is you're going to get a lot farther with him if you do the squeeze and just to tighten the elbow and pull. Because his big fat head is stronger than your little arms. Okay? Reverse.
You ain't gonna grow back, I'm sorry.
He thinks that's funny though. He does. That's a silly looking ear puppy there, Jackson 5. What do you see? Mr. Wolf is mowing. I know.
He's still mowing that lady's yard.
It's hilarious.
It is, it's funny.
So there's this big plateau area up there.
Yeah.
And when I bought the property, that was on the tax map.
Oh, okay.
Part of the property of 2 acres. And then they surveyed it and they're like, yeah, no. It belongs to this woman behind you. And I said, well, that's interesting. And I said, because for all these years, there's like fencing up in this whole is pasture space.
Yeah.
And these people over here used it for picnics and parties and his flagpole that's in his front yard is in the back. They made him take it down.
Really?
And they're not using it for anything because her house is on Page Place in the back.
Yeah, I know where that is.
Right?
Yeah. I deliver newspapers over there,
Yeah.
so.
The Long, Nancy Long. So
yeah, I know who she is.
offered to buy the property off.
Yeah.
I said, I'll never build on it, so you'll never worry about looking out your back window and looking through the woods and seeing something. I said, I'll just use this pasture space and rideable area. She said, I'd love to have a little more pasture space.
Oh, of course.
And she's like, you know. So,
she's the witch.
Then, yeah, and then she came out and put all these things up there. So remember what I said about squeeze and sponge, and you get his nose in instead of just arguing. All right? Okay, go canter again. So this is basically
a way to go.
He's mad. So now what happened is when they built all this up here, they